The Violent Turbo fan comes in a nice carrying case with all the accessories that you need to take care of your blowing needs. And we hope to show you what this product is all about. The product's name is Violent Fan by Zoever. 130,000 RPM with 8,000 milliamp battery. We're going to open this up, show you what you get inside the box, and then demonstrate how the unit works in a number of scenarios. You have an instruction and manual guide laid out with all different types of brushes, a wide brush, a medium brush, a hard brush, a narrow hard brush, a soft paintless type brush, and small brushes for keyboards and little picks and to get into different areas. With the dust blower hard parts of cone-shaped items like a wide nozzle, a tall nozzle, an inflator's nozzle, a brush nozzle, an extension, a lanyard strap, the USB-C compliance cable, a angle 120-degree brush, and a nice carrying bag to put everything in. And then removing out of the package the Turbo Violent Air Duster. When you get your Turbo Violent Air Duster, charge it for the first time with the supplied cable. In our demonstration, as we plug in our USB-C compliance cable, it lights up in orange, 3 levels of lighting. The unit will not turn on while charging. It's got a nice aluminum case with the fan area, clip area, the area to blow with the rubber ring around, with the vents area to cool off your fan. It's got a nice flat bottom where the battery is located, non-removable. Each of the attachments simply just goes on and over with a little force for the rubber to grip that holds on. Turning the unit on is a switch in the front. For turbo, simply hold. To go through the speeds, press once for low, medium, high, turbo, and off. Now what we're going to go do is go clean keyboard, car vents, air conditioners, fans, floors, and more. I didn't realize I had dirt underneath here. Cleaning the keyboard, we have the attachment, the wide angle to medium, place on, the brush, and simply press once, and we're able to clean the keyboard. Number 2, and for hard to reach areas, we have the brush to get in between the keys and blow away. The air conditioner needs to be clean. We have the wide angle and a brush to get in, and also for the vent area, like so. We have dirt located between our area. And clean the screen. We need to get into the area and turbo blast with the brush. And over here. For quick bursts, just simply press the button and clean. Ranges, microwave areas that you need to get a brush into, pinpoint, and blow. We have some fruit down below, show you what the turbo is all about. And if you need to get underneath to clean, Great to get underneath the refrigerator as well. We demonstrated around the house, keyboard, and in the car, your Violent fan with the turbo speed and 3 adjustable speed levels. It takes a number of hours to charge and hours of use. I hope you enjoy your Violent Turbo 130,000 RPM 8,000 milliamp turbo fan. Thank you for viewing.